Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little different. As you can see, my hair is out, and that is because I'm actually going to be dyeing my hair. I know I've been natural since pretty much 2013, so almost 6 years now, and I have not dyed my hair fully, like a full head, only highlights. Prior to, returning to natural hair, I've been dyeing my hair since I was in middle school. Like a year and a half after my first relaxer, I started dyeing my hair. So I've had browns, blondes, reds, and I stayed with a hair color or jet black, whatever it was. There was some dye in my hair. But once I went to natural hair, I try to limit the use of chemicals and all that harsh stuff. There's actually a salon in DC that uses the organic salon system, and I've been thinking about it for a while, and I just kind of want to go ahead and go for the plunge. Clearly there's other ways to play with coloring your hair without permanently altering or dyeing the hair color, but I decided that, I feel comfortable enough with the health of my hair that I can do it, and not that I could risk it, but it's just hair at the end of the day, and I feel like this was the safest route for me to go, to try that out again and see how that whole journey goes. And hopefully I will have a good experience. I don't know. I'm really anxious and nervous. Like, y'all have no idea. Like, technically my appointment's not until another hour and 15 minutes, and it takes like 45 minutes to get there, but I've already mapped it out. I've already had it. I'm giving myself a 30-minute buffer. Anytime I'm going somewhere new, it's a little stressful for me, especially if I haven't been there before. I don't know how the parking works. I just kind of like having all my ducks in a row. Finally made it. All right, so update. This is what my hair is looking like right now. And right now it's kind of like brown here, and then it kind of looks a little orangey and brassy, and then it's like blonde. So right now it's not really the color that I was going for. And the system, it is a organic ingredients, ammonia free, but my hair doesn't feel like itself, and it feels super dry. And I'm thinking that's the gel, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash the gel out, and then I'll come back. I think I might actually try to, I was reading online like how to get rid of the orange look. So I think I might try to self-fix at home. So we will see. So emergency hair repair is still going strong. I tried deep conditioning. My hair feels maybe a little bit better, but it still doesn't feel anything like my hair, and it's super dry. So I literally have to like douse my hair in like oil or whatever just for it to not feel crazy. And I also like cut a lot of the ends off just because of the tangling. But my Ulta package came, and I'm gonna try some of this color balance to see if that might help. It's the blue, basically like blue conditioner. I also got the shampoo, but I'm not gonna shampoo my hair because literally I washed like 2 days ago, and before that was 2 days ago when all this craziness happened. And that day, I mean, she like processed my hair like probably 4 times. So every time I was going back under, and yeah, I ain't trying to overdo it with the scalp. And I also got this K-Pack color therapy, it's an intense repair hair treatment specifically for colored hair. I got some other stuff, but we're gonna give those two a try. I'm gonna co-wash and see how that goes. Hopefully I can salvage something. And I am like so scared because look at that. It's like my edges now load. Nightmare. It was crazy because I spent $200 to get my hair colored. The color was not the color that I asked for, essentially, which I was like, okay, couldn't reach that color, fine. I'm gonna try to figure out to get the orange out. But then when I found the health of my hair is also having all this stuff, and I'm buying all these products to try to correct on top of the whole thing, it's just like, I just wish I just never got my hair colored. Honest to God, like I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy, this whole situation. And it's just been stressful. Like I Oh my God. And you know when you don't even cry, like it's like a single tear, like I just be having these tears come out randomly. And like the anxiety of when you're out in public and it not looking the way you want is one thing, but then the anxiety of you being scared of the future of your hair and having to start from scratch after already doing 5+ years of being natural. So yeah. Anyways, let's just hope that this deep conditioner makes my hair feel like hair again. This is gonna be my second time deep conditioning. I deep conditioned 2 days ago and I'm doing it again. So hopefully this does something. And my hair is still wet, but the blue seems like it might have balanced it out a little bit. So hopefully as I continually do it, it gets better. And I finally am starting to see my hair texture again. Praise God. It doesn't feel quite as soft as it usually does, but I feel like this is acceptable. It actually feels like hair. So I'm starting to get a little bit of hope that my hair won't be completely like damaged. But as far as the orange, it's hard to tell because my hair is still wet, but I still feel like it's a little bit better. I'll have to keep probably doing it to balance it completely out. But after one use, I feel like I kind of noticed some improvement. I just wish there was an actual flow to the color, you know, but we're getting there. Okay, so I just washed my hair and as you can see, this is what it looks like. All in all, definitely have toned it down. This is my hair soaking wet, just got out the shower. All right, so this is my easy peasy routine. First I pre-poo with this, like this is blue Joy Color Balance Blue conditioner, and I basically apply this to my hair dry. Then I literally co-wash. So I'll rinse it out, I'll co-wash again with this while it's wet, and then I do this. So this is the K-Pack Color Therapy Conditioner by Joy, and I basically use this as like a co-wash to scrub my hair. I've only shampooed once in the last month, and you know, I prefer just co-washing, so I'm not even going to show you the shampoo because I felt like it also returned my hair back to that strip feeling where now I need like moisture galore. And then what I'm about to put in, which this is almost out, is the K-Pack Joy Color Therapy Luster Lock Instant Shine and Repair Treatment, which I put in my hair, and then I basically put a plastic bag over it and I let it deep condition like that. I also have like a heat pad thing that I put around it just to let it soak in, but I let it deep condition and then I rinse my hair out with a little bit more of this conditioner being kind of left in, like it rinses out but not fully. And that's all I do. So those are the 3 products that I use, but I'm soaked. So let me go ahead and put the deep conditioner on. Anyways, I hope that this was a learning lesson to someone out there, anybody, and you know, there were many shed tears when I thought it was over, but things did end up working out, and I hope that this prevents somebody's hair damage or helps somebody repair their hair. Expect more videos. I love my hair now. Everything's fine. I'm constantly taking care of it, and I'll have more content out here for you guys. Love and light. Deuces.